Top 10 home remedies for cough. Number 1. Honey tea. According to some research, honey may relieve coughs. A study on treatments for nighttime coughing in children compared dark honey with the cough-suppressing medication and with no treatment. The researchers reported that the honey provided the most significant relief from coughing, followed by medication. Although the benefits of honey over medication were small, parents rated honey most favorably of all the three interventions. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 teaspoons with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Do not give honey to children under 1 year of age. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. One study suggests that some anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can relax membranes in the airways, which could reduce coughing. To take ginger, brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Add honey or lemon juice to improve the tastes and further soothe a cough. Be aware that in some cases, ginger tea can cause stomach upset or heartburn. Number 3. Fluids. Staying hydrated is vital for those with a cough or cold. Research indicates that drinking liquids at room temperature can alleviate a cough, runny nose, and sneezing. However, people with additional symptoms of a cold or flu may benefit from warming up their beverages. The same study reports that hot beverages alleviate even more symptoms, including a sore throat, chills, and fatigue. The symptoms relief was immediate and remained for a continued period after finishing the hot beverages. Hot beverages that may be comforting include clear broths, herbal teas, decaffeinated black tea, warm water, warm fruit juices. Number 4. Steam. A wet cough, which is one that produces mucus or phlegm, may improve with steam. Take a hot shower or bath and allow the bathroom to fill with steam. Stay in this steam for a few minutes until symptoms subside. Drink a glass of water afterward to cool down and prevent dehydration. Alternatively, make a steam bowl. To do this, fill a large bowl of hot water, add herbs or essential oils such as eucalyptus or rosemary, which may also relieve decongestion. Lean over the bowl and place a towel over the head. This traps the steam. Inhale the vapors for 5 minutes. If the steam feels hot on the skin, discontinue until the skin cools down. Number 5. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is an herb that has a long history of use as a treatment for coughs and sore throats. The herb can ease irritation resulting from coughing because of its high mucilage content. Mucilage is a thick, gluey substance that coats the throat. Marshmallow root is also available as a dried herb or a bagged tea. Add hot water to either and then drink it immediately or allow it to cool first. The longer the marshmallow root steeps in the water, the more mucilage will be in the drink. Side effects can include stomach upset, but it may be possible to counter this by drinking extra fluids. Number 6. Saltwater gargle. This simple remedy is one of the most effective for treating a sore throat and wet cough. Salt water reduces phlegm and mucus in the back of the throat, which can lessen the need to cough. Stir half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water until it dissolves. Allow the solution to cool slightly before using it to gargle. Let the mixture sit at the back of the throat for a few moments before spitting it out. Gargle with salt water several times each day until the cough improves. Avoid giving salt water to younger children as they may not have able to gargle properly and swallowing salt water can be dangerous. Number 7. Pineapple. Bromelain is an enzyme that comes from pineapples. It is most plentiful in the core of the fruit. Bromelain has anti-inflammatory properties and also may have mucolytic properties, which means it can break down mucus and remove it from the body. Some people drink pineapple juice daily to reduce mucus in the throat and suppress coughing. However, there will not be enough bromelain in the juice to relieve symptoms. Number 8. Thyme. Thyme has both culinary and medicinal uses and is a common remedy for a cough, a sore throat, bronchitis, and digestive issues. To treat coughs using thyme, look for a cough syrup that contains this herb. Alternately, make thyme tea by adding 2 teaspoons of direct thyme to a cup of hot water. Steep for 10 minutes before straining and drinking. Number 9. Dietary changes for acid reflux. Acid reflux is a common cause of a cough. Avoiding foods that trigger acid reflux is one of the best ways to manage this condition and reduce the cough that accompanies it. Every individual may have different reflux triggers that they need to avoid. People who are unsure of what causes their reflux can begin by eliminating the most common triggers from their diet and monitoring the symptoms. The foods and beverages that most commonly trigger acid reflux include alcohol, caffeine, chocolate, citrus fruits, fried and fatty foods, garlic and onions, mint, spices and spicy foods, tomatoes and tomatoes-based products. Number 10. Turmeric powder with warm water. Direct ingestion of half teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm water will do wonders for cough and mucus removal. Do not mix turmeric powder in the water, but put the powder directly in your tongue and then swallow it with the warm water. You can thank us later. Hey guys, if you like the content, please like, comment, share and subscribe.